Questions. Mechanical weathering, processes that cause physical deterioration of exposed rock without any change in the chemical composition of the rock. People can influence mechanical weathering by mining, construction, and things like that. Chemical weathering is the erosion or disintegration of rocks, building materials, etc., caused by chemical reactions rather than by mechanical processes. How can humans affect chemical weathering? Humans burning fossil fuels can affect chemical weathering. Freezing and thawing. Water gets into the cracks, expanding and melting. The process is repeated until the rock is split into two pieces. Wind carries sand or rock particles and rubs with the rock, causing the rock to break. After many years of abrasion, the rock has changed shape. Oxygen ions in the atmosphere react with iron-bearing minerals and rocks, changing to rust, which gives rocks that orange color. Water. Moving water tumbles rocks downstream. Tumbling rocks wear down as they grind against the riverbed and against each other. Ocean waves beating against the rocky shore also wear down rocks. Carbon dioxide. Rivers carry calcium ions, result of chemical weathering of rocks into the ocean where they react with carbonate dissolved in the water. Acid rain. Rainfall made sufficiently acidic by atmospheric pollution that it causes environmental harm, typically to forests and lakes. The main cause is the industrial burning of coal and other fossil fuels. The waste gases from which contain sulfur and nitrogen oxides, which combine with atmospheric water to form acids.
An irreversible increase in the size of the plant, as plants, like other organisms, are made up of cells. Growth involves an increase in cell numbers by cell division and increase in cell size. Release of pressure, also known as unloading, overlying materials are removed, which causes underlying rocks to expand and fracture parallel to the surface. Living organisms, they die and their remains create moss. Animal actions. Animals dig burrows create holes.
Waves hit the rock many years and wear down the rock down until it breaks or and it's gone. Abrasion level. Air carries rock particles through the air, hitting the rock. Eventually, the rock is broken and standing up, so to speak. Oxygen combines with water and iron to form rust. Water gets to the crack every time, freezing and expanding the rock until if the rock breaks in half. Carbon dioxide combining with water washes the rock for years until the rock dissolves due to the carbon dioxide in the water. Release of pressure. Release of pressure moves all the layers up, leaving exposed the layers of rock. Acid rain local. Rainfall made sufficiently acidic by atmospheric pollution that it causes environmental harm, typically to forests and lakes. The main cause is the industrial burning of coal and other fossil fuels. The waste gases form, which contain sulfur and nitrogen oxides, which combine with atmospheric water to form acids.
Living organisms, they die and their remains create moss. Animal actions. Animals dig burrows and create holes. Plant growth. An irreversible increase in the plant and the size of the plant, as plants, like other organisms, are made up of cells. Growth involves an increase in cell numbers by cell division and an increase in cell size.
And that is our weathering project.